So you want to bring your vector graphic image into Blender and turn it into a workable mess. Well, I'm going to show you quickly on how to do that. Okay, I got my Illustrator brought up here, and whatever vector graphic program you want to use, you want to be able to come down and you want to make sure you can save it here as a SVG file. So I'm going to save mine as a SVG, hit OK, go on in the Blender. I'm going to come in and I'm going to come down to File, Import, and I'm going to import the SVG as a grease pencil. Put in my folder path to where I got it saved at. Select the file I want, G for grab, Z for Z to bring it up above the plane. Now, before I can turn it into a mess, I gotta first turn it into a path. So I'm going to come to Object. We gotta come down here to Convert near the bottom, and I'm going to convert the path. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hide my Paul SVG file and make sure I only have my layer selected. Now I'm going to come back over to my objects and I'm going to go back to convert again, and this time convert to mesh. Now tab on in. I'm going to select my edge tool, and if I just select one, the edge, you can see it's going to be this tiny thing. So there's quite a few ways you can do this. One is hold down the Alt key and then hit the left to select everything. You won't be able to do this if you're using your Alt key for acting as a third click function or wheel function. But then I'm going to hit F for fill. The same thing, Alt, left click, F for fill for everything. That way, because when you use the modifier, you're going to definitely need this filled in if you're going to use the solidify modifier, and it's going to be helpful even if you want to use the extrude. I'm going to come up here to my face orientation. That's these little two things. Go down. As you can see, everything's not facing the same way. So I'm going to click on all the ones and turn them the way I want them facing. Click the ones I want to change. I'm going to come down here to go to mesh, the normals, the flip. And now I can come over to my wrench tool, come to add modifier, generate. I'm going to come on down to solidify, and now I can add a thickness. And that is how you can bring in your vector graphics into Blender and turn it into a workable mesh.